Hello everyone, a warm welcome to FIXtastic Contents, the channel to your solutions. Hi guys, today in this tutorial I will show you how you can revert back your device from custom ROM to stock firmware. Custom recovery like TWRP is required for this tutorial to work. So if you don't have a custom recovery installed already, have a look at my other video on how to install TWRP recovery by clicking the link in the description. So let's get started. Even though this method will not wipe pictures, videos, document, music and other media files, it will still delete app data like messages, call logs, WhatsApp, chat and login passwords. So make sure you have a backup if required before you proceed. This method requires a full Nandroid backup of your stock ROM. If you have created your NAND backup using TWRP, you can use it, or download it from the internet. First of all, download the backup zip for your device. Now extract the zip in a folder. And then copy the TWRP folder to the root of your SD card. You can also extract it on your device internal storage, but it will be good to use SD card. Now I am going to open up my device settings to show you my current firmware version. As you can see, my phone is currently running on Lineage OS based on Android 10, but now I want to revert it back to the phone's stock firmware. Power off the device, insert the SD card and reboot the device to TWRP recovery. Now go to wipe, swipe the slider to factory reset all the settings. Now go to advanced wipe, check system data and cache, and swipe the slider. Go back to the main menu and click on restore. Select storage to SD card if copied the backup to the SD card. You will see a folder, select all the partitions available and swipe the slider. Wait for the process to get finished. Now press wipe Dalvik and then press reboot. Now you can see that my phone is back to stock. Let's complete the setup. Let me open up my device settings. As you can see now, the device is on stock ROM with Android 7. Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.